Indian Ocean trade boom. Booming Indian economy drives 34.5% surge in Far East Middle East India trade. Red Sea crisis disrupts European exports to Middle East India, boosting Far East trade. Indian Ocean Rim emerges as key growth market for carriers driven by manufacturing shift from China to India. Ambitious plan for logistic corridors. India to link the Pacific with the Atlantic Ocean to mitigate Suez Canal risks. India is also actively exploring linkage of Iran's Chabahar port with Russia. India is eyeing highway construction linking Manipur with Vietnam. India-Europe air rates. India-Europe air cargo surge, fueled by apparel exports from India and Sri Lanka. Present market conditions have transformed this sector into a seller's market, evident by the steep rates set by airlines. Shipper rates increased by 7%, while airline sell rates rose by 152%. DFC 90% operational. More than 90% of the dedicated freight corridor is now operational. 300 trains are traversing this network daily. Trains have achieved speed averaging between 50-60 km per hour and can escalate to 100 km per hour. Indian exports hindered by forks. Rupee trade limited to select countries, hindering trade flow with key markets. Forks shortages hamper Indian exports with minimal growth in engineering and pharmaceutical sectors. Rupee stability crucial, ongoing dollar strength and oil prices impact competitiveness. India-EU FTA talks. Eurasian Economic Union comprises of Armenia, Belarus, Kazakhstan, Kyrgyzstan, and Russia. Potential advantages for Indian exporters, especially in engineering, electronics, and agriculture sectors. Bilateral trade with Russia in FY23 amounted to $49.4 billion. Exports to other EU members totaled $944.25 million. India investigates imports. India launches anti-dumping probe into rubber chemical imports from China and Japan. Investigation led by Directorate General of Trade Remedies, initiated based on complaint from Oriental Carbon and Chemicals Limited. Potential imposition of duties by Finance Ministry under WTO guidelines to address alleged injury to domestic industry.